Ever feel like you have big dreams, but no energy to make them happen? You tell yourself, I'll do it tomorrow, but tomorrow never comes. You want to do amazing things, but even starting feels hard. Maybe you think about writing a book, getting fit, or learning something new, but instead, you end up scrolling on your phone or watching TV. Why does this happen? It's not because you're lazy, it's because the task feels too big. When something feels hard, your brain says, let's do something easier. But here's the good news. You can change this. Laziness isn't who you are, it's just a habit. And habits can change. Think about how often you've felt stuck because your goals seem too big. You want to save money, but cutting back on everything feels overwhelming. You want to be healthier, but the idea of running every day sounds exhausting. It's not that you don't care. It's just that your brain wants to avoid pain and stay comfortable. But you can outsmart your brain. Here are 3 simple steps to help you stop feeling lazy and start doing what matters. Step 1, make it small. Big tasks feel scary, so break them into tiny steps. Want to write a book? Don't think about 200 pages, just write 1 sentence today. Small steps feel easier and give you a quick win. It's like climbing a mountain. You don't jump to the top, you take 1 step at a time. Want to learn guitar? Don't try to learn a full song in a day. Just practice 1 chord. Over time, those small efforts build up. Focus on progress, not perfection. Step 2, build easy routines. Don't rely on willpower, it runs out. Instead, create simple routines that make action automatic. Want to work out? Put your shoes next to your bed so it's easy to get moving in the morning. Routines are like training wheels. They help until the habit feels natural. What's 1 small routine you can start today? Maybe it's writing a to-do list in the morning or drinking a glass of water as soon as you wake up. These small habits create structure and help you build momentum. Step 3, use the 2-minute rule. Starting is the hardest part, so promise yourself you'll just do 2 minutes of the task. Want to read a book? Just read 1 page. Want to clean your room? Just tidy 1 corner. Once you start, it's easier to keep going. It's like pushing a ball. The first push takes effort, but then it rolls on its own. Bonus tip, reward yourself for starting. After 2 minutes, give yourself a small treat, like listening to your favorite song or taking a short break. Rewards help your brain feel good about starting. Here's the truth. Everyone starts small, even the people you admire. They struggled too, but they kept going. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start. Think of your dreams like a small spark. Every tiny action you take adds fuel to the fire. Keep adding fuel, and soon your spark will grow into a roaring fire. So ask yourself, what small thing can you do today to light that fire? It's okay to fail. Everyone does. What matters is getting back up and trying again. Failure isn't the opposite of success. It's part of the path. Be kind to yourself. Keep moving forward. Let's keep it simple. If you have big goals but feel lazy, here's what to do. 1, make tasks small and easy. 2, create routines that support you. 3, start with just 2 minutes. That's it. Don't wait for the perfect moment. It may never come. Start now. Pick 1 small thing and do it today. Your dreams are waiting for you. Go get them. And remember, you don't have to be perfect. You just have to be consistent. Small steps, done regularly, can create big change. But nothing happens without action. So watch this and start taking action today. Be bold, unbreakable, and unstoppable.